Okay, kalau you are semua langgan yang Office Pro, which is another plan, kami akan memberikan kapsul percuma. Ada milk, ada variety of tea with Prince, the Queen, the King, Earl, and then this is coffee, Emiko, Sunrise, Luna, and also Choco. And then you will also have the 3 boxes of capsules, which is you all boleh pilih which one you want, the flavor. And in this box, each box we have we have the 3 boxes of capsules, which is you all boleh pilih which one you want, the flavor. And in this box, each box we have 10 capsule. So every month you just need to commit only 2 box, which is 20 capsules. But okay, for example, this one is the passion capsule, which is passion is suitable if you want to make a cappuccino, a latte, so you can mix together with the coffee milk. So I will show the video later on. So this is how the capsules look alike. Okay, this is a passion. This one is the taste is very light. It's not so strong, but so nice. Okay, let's unbox the Office Pro Arissto coffee machine. You guys have to believe that all this is only $1. So when you open, you will have a nice paper bag from Arissto. Yeah, maybe you can put something inside. And then over here we have a pamphlet about this flavor, the variety of flavor, and then how to do the coffee. You want to do espresso, choco, mocha, latte, cappuccino, americano, and anything that in your mind. You can mix and match anything. Alright, so for the manual, you can just scan this barcode, then the PDF will be appear at your handphone. Okay, let's open it. So your machine will be wrapped like this. Okay. These are wires. Yeah. So this is how the machine look. So this one is the place for you to put the capsule. And then it's a water tank at the back. So this one you can easily take out, and you can take out the capsule after use. This machine is really easy maintenance, which is you can maintain it by yourself to make it clean.